Hey guys, it's Daisy from Currys, and today we're taking a look at the top 3 features of the Hotpoint washer dryer. It saves you from worrying about stains, it makes washing easier as it lets you do everything in one go, and it saves you time and energy. So we're going to head to the lab now where we're going to take a look at things in a little bit more detail. You won't have to worry about stains and spillages as it helps get rid of them with ease. In fact, it's able to get rid of over 100 different types of stains, even at temperatures of 20 degrees Celsius. So whether it's pizza grease, pen ink or bronzer, it will be able to help get rid of them and come out the drum looking spotless. It makes it easier to get everything washed and dried in one go with its all-in-one cycles. So there's a few different options to choose from. You just pick the one you need, let it crack on, and then go about your day. You can save time and use less energy and water as well by giving your lightly soiled clothes a quick freshen up as opposed to a whole wash. So it will have your clothes ready to wear within 20 minutes by just getting rid of its odours and creases. So this has been on the Active Care wash. Let's see how the t-shirt looks. Oh wow, good as new. Really, really impressive that. If you'd like any more info on the Hotpoint washer dryer, you can visit us here in store, head online or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.